are pleased to show you the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.